Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. Some good stocks to watch are the ones that are already working. The gold stocks and the biotechs are still acting well. As we can see, the market is still kind of in this uptrend, staying above the T-line. The Dow, even though it backed off a little bit on Friday, really didn't change anything. You've got kind of a fry pan bottom. You're still above the T-line, and as a matter of fact, you actually still closed at the 3T line. And the NASDAQ traded positive, which is a very good indication that if one index is trading lower and the other index is trading higher, there's really no change of investor sentiment. It's just merely shifting of funds. So as you can see, the NASDAQ still held on to the T-line, which means we're still in an uptrend. So the strong sectors continue this week to be the biotechs, the gold stocks, and the medical supply companies. Our ALT broke out nicely a couple weeks ago, did some consolidation, but now is doing the J-hook pattern, telling us the consolidation is over. Start waiting or looking for wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. That same scenario was in BNTX. Moved up nicely, consolidated, and notice where it consolidated to. Right smack dab to the T-line, and then started trading higher. So these are positions that once you get in them, as long as they stay above the T-line, you can stay long because the probabilities are extremely strong that as long as you're above the T-line, you're still in an uptrend. INO is one of the biotechs that has gone sideways for a while, but note the wedge formation. And on Friday, they did a little gap up, trying to break out. If this opens positive on Monday, you want to be a buyer with the anticipation your next move could be of this magnitude. The medical stops are still working. Our BLFS, very simple, as long as they stay above the T-line, you want to stay long. Gold has been up consistently, staying right along the T-line. Had one day where it closed below the T-line, but Friday it came right back again. So as long as gold stocks are working, our GFI has been working. And again, notice the breakout off the T-line, off the 50-day moving average with your best friend signal. The reason I'm pointing this out is we will be doing a training session, a full-day training session on Saturday, August 25th, this next weekend. We're going to go through about 18 different candlestick patterns that are quantified as being the strongest signals and patterns. Not that the top one is that much stronger than the 18th, it's just all of them are good. And basically, you're taking the combination of what happens in investor sentiment, see where the strength is, and that combination usually provides a top rank signal or pattern that's going to produce excessive profits versus just an uptrending stock during an uptrend. So if you recognize breakouts with best friend signals, and in harmony, look at the fry pan bottom breakout with a best friend signal. Now we're looking to go into wave 3 with a kicker signal. Wave 1, kind of wave 2, wave 3 has the potential of being the same magnitude as wave 1. All this information is provided by the Japanese rice traders that clearly illustrate how investor sentiment works the same way time after time. Overstock is still one of the trending stocks. Notice how it came right back to the T-line, did a left-right combo, which is one of your strongest signals, and looks like it's doing a J-hook pattern. It can be bought on positive trading with the expectation of another wave of this magnitude. There's still lots of good positions out there as long as the markets stay above the T-line, continue to stay long, and stay long in the sectors that are showing the excessive strength. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.